Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy. I hope you're all well. Today I'm making a 3-course meal and I am going to make it in a short amount of time. I'm aiming to cook all of it under just 1.5 hours. For starters, I'm going to make cheese samosas and I'm using the leftover dough from yesterday. So I feel I need to tell you how I made the dough. So for the dough you will need white flour, oil, a pinch of salt and water. Mix it all well to form a dough and please leave it to rest for 30 minutes before you use it. Moving to the main, I'm going to make a vegetarian biryani along with tomato salad, and to finish it all I will make a dessert using vermicelli. Please watch this video till the end and I do hope you like it. For the 3/4 cooked rice we'll need cinnamon stick, cardamom about 5 cloves and cumin seeds, a tablespoon of biryani masala and a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 big onion chopped, crushed ginger and garlic, potatoes, carrots, French beans. I'll be using soya chunks in mine, but you can opt for chicken. We'll be needing fresh mint, which I have right here in my garden. To a hot pan, add 2 tablespoons of clarified butter and fry onions until brown. Once brown, add the potatoes, salt and give it a quick stir, then cover for a few minutes. We'll then add carrots, French beans, garlic and ginger, the spice we prepared earlier, then stir it all. Add some cloves, cinnamon stick and a few more cardamom. Add enough water to just about cover the vegetables. While this is cooking, I'm going to make some cheese samosas using the leftover dough from yesterday. Using the rolling pin, we will flatten the dough and cut in half. We will use grated cheese for filling. Make a cone using half the sheet and add grated cheese. Sealing it off by pressing the edges using fingers. The rice is now 3/4 cooked. We will now check if the veg is ready. Add the rice on top of the cooked vegetables, topping it off with the soya chunks and cover it to let it simmer for a few minutes on medium heat. For the next part, we'll prepare saffron using hot water. We'll then add the saffron on top of the rice while it's still cooking. We'll then dim the flame and let it cook for a few minutes and mix it well. Switch off the flame. Now add chopped coriander and mint. Cover it and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Whilst we are at it, we'll make dessert using vermicelli. We'll break it into smaller pieces. We'll also use almond, which we have to cut into pieces, and desiccated coconut and mixed berries. Hot pan, add clarified butter, 1 tablespoon. The almonds, we'll roast the sliced almonds in it. We'll then add the vermicelli, stir till it's roasted, milk and sugar to it. And then we'll use some cardamom powder to flavor. We'll add the mixed berries and finally the desiccated coconut. We'll now use a pan to deep fry our samosas. Keep turning the samosas to make sure they cook on both sides and do not burn. Now that they are golden brown, they are ready to be taken out. We'll make a tomato salad to go with the biryani, starting by cutting the tomatoes, the onions, and chopping the chilies. Mix it in a bowl. A tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and give it a good stir. After 15 minutes, the biryani should be done. As you can see, it's looking lovely. It's now ready to be dished out. Our 3-course meal is now ready. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment below. And thank you for watching.